So in this video, I will show you that how you can sell a saturated product in different angle and unsaturated way. Okay, these Labubu products, which is very popular, and this 2 or 3 months, it was really high selling product. And I see my many clients, European clients, USA client, they are selling average daily 20 to 30 orders, and this product, and it's almost right now saturated. So do you know what is saturated? I hope saturated means there's this product, almost all customers have bought this, market almost done, everyone bought this product. And so if you sell this product, so you will not get any new customer, or this product will not. Now in here, what you will do if you want to sell this product in a unsaturated way or different angle, because it is proven and it is possible that in e-commerce any product you can sell, no problem, if it is saturated or if it is old product or it is a even it is a boring product, okay, no problem. So what we will do right now, this Labubu product, you can see that 232 reviews, ratings, and 4.5 star review out of 5. So we will go to down and we will see first of all the customer reviews. And in Amazon you can research product, no problem. So just go down and see that the review is top reviews from the United States. Only United States is enough for market research, and then you can sell this in Europe, no problem. So the customer saying that cute and authentic Labubu, it arrives earlier than its original delivery date, it's QR code verified, yeah, that's good. And another customer says that love it, it's affordable and the quality is great, it's genuine Labubu with QR code verification. Got the one holding the Coke bottle, yeah, these are ugly cute. Box was intact, product was in good condition. So what we will do, we will copy these all reviews, okay, I mean 5 to 10 reviews, just copy, no problem. Then then we will go to ChatGPT, and in ChatGPT we will ask that for this Labubu product review, for this Labubu products review, analyze this, analyze this, and give me a different angle to sell this. Also tell me in which other reason people will buy it, and I can marketing. Okay, boom. So now we will see what ChatGPT. Sure, could you please send me either the product review? Okay, so he's asking the reviews. Okay, so I will just paste the reviews from Amazon. Okay, boom. So I pasted the all reviews from Amazon, and you will check what different reason people will buy it, okay, by depending on the reviews, current reviews. So what buyers care about from your reviews: main trigger, authenticity, QR code verified, real Labubu, cuteness, okay, fast delivery, emotional gifting, brand collaboration, mystery, surprise, customization from there. So new angles ChatGPT gave me that you can use to sell this product. Collector's item angle, perfect for pop mart Labubu collectors who care, who chase rare originals and authentic QR verified code. Marketing copy idea, 100% genuine Labubu, okay. Gift in angle, gift is another angle, so looking for a gift. Emotional cute decor angle, ugly cute, so you can use this as a home decor angle for adults. Hook example, too cute to ignore. ChatGPT also gave the good hook. Unboxing TikTok angle, okay, this is also good. Co-op versus drop, quality and safety angle. So additional audience reason people might buy. So for anime, kawaii, pop mart, so for who are anime lover, they can also buy. Parents buying for kids, boyfriends buying cute for girlfriend, desk showcase, yes. Gamers and streamers, TikTokers, resellers, fan of Coca-Cola brand collaboration, okay. So these are the main reason why you can also sell this product in different angle or unsaturated way. So right now we will go to Canva. Okay, so we are now in the Canva, and in here we will analyze more about this product. So we found a saturated product, okay, and we will sell this product as a different angle, okay, different angle. So the angle we found already from ChatGPT. So right now we will set up our marketing funnel, which is very important. For example, the customer will see your advertising funnel. product page or Facebook, or whether you will sell it on TikTok, then they will purchase it from TikTok, no problem, TikTok shop. And then your next step will be they will go for the purchase. Okay, so this is the our video or the ad creative. For example, ad creative, okay, ad, and then the website or store, and then they will go for purchase. And okay, so this is a simple fundamental of the marketing, and we should focus on that some many important things about the product cost. So for example, in here Amazon's product cost is, which is for example here $84, $49, and this one is $83, okay, single box. So we will give as much as more less price. So for example, if our average order volume price is $40, okay, so then we should sell this product as a bundle. Okay, so for example 2-piece or 3-piece bundle, then we will be, for if $40 one piece, then 3 piece will be 102, but we can give 100 or $99, okay, no problem. So this is the fundamental of the price. So customer will purchase this product if they get a lower price than other, then they will definitely purchase. And the ad creative, you need more and more better than competitor. But we see lot of dropshippers fail, or they cannot focus on a good creative. For example, don't worry, sorry. So for example, if we create 1 2 3 ad creative for this product in different audience, in different angle, because ChatGPT already gave us this different for audience or enemy, parents buying, boyfriend buying, gamers, TikTokers. So if you focus on like in different audience for different ad creative, so which is good. So we should create at least 9 ad creative. Okay, so 9 ad creative will be 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this 9 ad creative will be so for this types of audience, and one will be a broad audience. Okay, so one, you can set a broad audience in here, broad. Okay, so this 9 or 10 ad set you must be have to create, and also you have to focus on the price. Okay, the price, and then the very good ad creative than your competitor. So this is the very basic and very proven systems to how you can sell a unsaturated product or saturated product, no problem, old product, boring product, no problem, in this different angle. For example, what's the emotion and which other reason people will buy this product. Okay, it's no matter if this product is captured in all market, no problem, just you should go on an update version of the product. For example, Labubu have a lot of version. If we go in down that, this is a enemy version, this is a keychain version, this is also some other products which is relevant. So if we go on search result, for example, in Labubu, we will see lot of variations. Yes, in here, yeah. So this is the doll clothes for Labubu, keychain accessories, and then this one is protective case for Labubu clothes. So this is very interesting product, and in worldwide it has very demand. So if it's right now saturated, it's not yet saturated yet, because I see in Europe many market have gap. You can start to sell those countries, no problem. So but you just find a different angle to sell this product. Okay, thank you.